Welcome to the Ohio Hauling Permit System, also known as OHPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for modifying a route with via points at haulingpermits.transportation.ohio.gov. This and other user tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the OHPS user tutorial videos link. OHPS allows you the option to request certain routes by using via points. These points can be entered by specifying certain highways to be used, or by selecting points from the map to be included when determining the route. Via points are typically entered when the system-generated route is not the preferred route. For this example, I have selected a route beginning in Sandy Township and ending in New Philadelphia. The origin and destination have already been set. Once you click Validate and Run, OHPS will determine the safest route to travel and display the map of that route. If the route does not travel on the highways you would like to go, the route can be changed to your liking by entering via points on the Enter Trip panel. Via points can be specific highways or map locations. To route using specific highways, select Highway from the Via Points drop-down list. An empty text field will be displayed to enter the highway names for the preferred route to travel. Enter highways using ODOT highway naming in order of travel, separated by commas. I will input the proper highway names in the empty text field. Highway names must be entered in the proper format, such as I for interstate, US for US highway, or SR for state route, followed by a hyphen and the road number. Separate road names with a comma only and omit any spaces. For this example route, I want to travel on SR12, I-77, SR12 again, to US 250. Once the highways have been entered, click the Validate and Run button to recalculate the trip to include the requested via highways entered. If the route requested has any restrictions, the system will ignore the request and route an approved route. Click the Get Restriction Information for Roads radio button above the map after zooming in, and then click the red highlight located on the highway in question. The restriction information screen will be displayed. This screen gives a detailed description of the restriction affecting travel on the roadway selected. For this example, there is a restriction for height over 12 feet 7 inches located on this section of roadway, so the system will not allow us to travel that way. You can then adjust your route as needed. Now I will enter SR-800, SR-416, US-250 in the Via Points text field. Click the Validate and Run button. Go over the new route and confirm the system has not found any restrictions and you can travel this way. If you don't happen to know the exact name of the highways you want to travel, or if you prefer, you can also enter Via Points by clicking specific locations to be routed by using the map display. I'll use the same origin and destination as before and click the Validate and Run button to generate a route. Return to the Enter Trip panel. Select Find on Map from the Via Points drop-down list. And then click the Select on Maps link to display the Select Lat-Long Vias on Map screen. From here, I'm going to select the city of origin, which will be Dover, and click the Go button. This will focus the map on Dover. Drag the map along the route you want to travel, selecting points as you go along. For this route, we want to travel SR-212, SR-800, SR-39, SR-416, and US-250. I'm going to find SR-12 and the quickest way to get to SR-39 on the map, which is SR-800. Make sure you are zoomed in and close enough to see both directions of travel. So I will zoom in as close as I can get here. Click the Select Radio button from the map and click the point closest to the intersection of SR-12 and SR-800. Select one other point on SR-800 for accuracy. Zoom out and continue dragging the map along the route of travel. Repeat the previous steps, selecting different points on the highways to travel. I will select 2 points on SR-800. I want to be sure I'm zoomed in close enough to select a point on the roadway in the correct direction of travel. Please note that via points do not have to be entered in consecutively traveled order. You can decide if you want to add this point to the end of the list or before a specific via point by selecting the option from the drop-down list located above the map. If you forget a point, you can add that point even after you've already selected several via points on the map. Once the points are selected, click the Done button above the map. If there are extra or unwanted via points on the list, they can be removed by clicking the Remove link next to the via points. Click the Validate and Run button to run the requested route. If there are any restrictions, the system will route as close to the requested route as possible. You will be prompted with a map display of the route for you to review. You can see your requested route has been highlighted in blue. Turn-by-turn directions are located under the map to validate the route of travel. This concludes the OHPS user tutorial videos on how to modify routes using via points. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are always available for your convenience.